First, log into your Utho Cloud Dashboard and click Cloud Instance for rebuild your existing server. Choose any existing server you need to rebuild, and remember, before rebuilding, take a snapshot or backup your current server data. A screen capture showing the server dashboard with backup options is recommended. Before making any changes, it's always a good idea to back up your current server data to avoid any potential data loss. Click on Cloud Server of your accordingly. Here you can find the overview. In this section you find a summary of the cloud server's status, resources, and performance metrics graph. Power options to start, stop, or reboot the cloud server to manage its operational state. Network configuration of cloud server networking. Storage, management of virtual disks and data storage volumes associated with the cloud server. Resize, adjusting the cloud server's resources like CPU, RAM, or storage to fit changing needs. Rebuild, reinstalling the cloud server's operating system or restoring from a backup. Firewall, ISO, mounting ISO images to the cloud server for installations or OS reinstallation. For rebuild the new version, screen capture showing server version selection and deployment process. Choose the operating system and the version you want to install. Once selected, hit deploy and Utho Cloud will start provisioning your new server. Configure your new server. Screen capture showing terminal window or configuration settings. Once your new server is deployed, log in via SSH or the terminal to begin configuring your server. This will include setting up networking, security groups, and installing any necessary software or dependencies for your specific use case. Thanks for watching this video.